This is basically everything you love about a burger but in a bowl and without the bun. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy burger bowl. To my pan set over medium heat, I'm going to add 1 pound of ground beef and break that up a little bit, then add the other ingredients. To that, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of complete seasoning. This is the one I'm using. And 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Give that a stir and you're going to let that cook for 15 minutes. Now you can season your ground beef any way you like. You don't have to use the same seasonings I use, but that's my go-to. It's simple, it's easy, and it tastes good. And I always have those ingredients on hand. By the way, I just launched a new YouTube channel called Cooking with Shirani Shorts. I'm uploading all my reels over there, so go check it out. Go subscribe to the channel, go like the video, share the channel, and do all the things. I would greatly appreciate that. This ground beef was so greasy, so I'm just using some paper towel to sop up some of the grease. It's been 15 minutes and the meat is just how I like it, so I'm going to remove it from the stove and set it aside and let it cool down a little bit before I assemble the bowl. Okay, so for the base of the bowl, I have some iceberg lettuce. The first thing I'm putting down is some ground beef, and I'm dividing this ground beef in 4 so we can make 4 burger bowls. Next, I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes to that. Next, I'm going to add some tater tots to that. And let's be realistic, if we're out and I'm buying a burger, I'm buying tater tots or some fries. And I know I've seen people make this burger bowl with sweet potato, but if I'm out, I'm not buying sweet potato. I want my fries or my tots. Next, I'm going to add some pickles because you can't have a burger without pickles. I'm adding some shredded cheddar cheese. And sliced red onion. For the sauce, I'm just adding this mixture of mayo and ketchup, but you can use any sauce you like on there, that's up to you, but this is what I happen to like on my burger. I'm going to take a picture of it and then I'll be back. Now let's eat this thing. So what I do is just mix up everything together. And I like this recipe because it's like whatever you like in your burger. If you don't like tomatoes, don't put tomatoes. If you don't like something, don't put it. And if you like something, put it. So it's all up to you and what you like in your burger. I like the tater tots in there because it makes me feel like I'm eating a burger with my tots. I always say this, I am not a salad kind of girl. I like everything in a salad, but not in a salad, if you know what I mean. But I like this, somehow I like this. If you're interested in another kind of bowl like this, similar to this, I have a taco salad one that I made that's really good. It's nice and crunchy and it's like a taco in a bowl. So I'm going to leave it linked below for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.